Taking a look at a lever action 22 long rifle. This one is the Marlin XT-22RZ. Polymer furniture. It's a bolt action, magazine fed. It uses a 7-round detachable magazine. Bolt action. It has the Profire trigger. It's like an adjustable match trigger. Pretty nice looking styling. If you go down to the end here, it's got a knurled barrel end, but that's really just a thread protector on some, I guess these are 1/2x20 threads. So it's going to work with something like this Outback II, but it'll need this adapter. The adapter will take it from the 1/2x20 threads on the barrel here to the 1/2x28 that the suppressor uses. And there's another barrel nut, or a thread protector. And then the Gemtech will thread right on the end there. So now it'll add a suppressed 22 long rifle. Pretty handy taken to the range with a long bolt action like this one. Won't need any hearing protection. Again, perfect for teaching young kids to shoot. Very accurate, made in the USA. If you're looking for a good option on a 22 long rifle, you can do a heck of a lot worse than this Marlin XT-22RZ. Looking at the sight picture, even with the suppressor, the sights go right over the top of that suppressor, so even when it's suppressed, be easy to shoot and just as accurate. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.